Now, I've identified a few problems with the e-bike battery. That is completely burnt out. So I went and ordered some fresh connectors. Now, soldering's never been my strong suit, but we're going to go ahead and try and replace these crappy burnt out ones with these clean connectors. And it may just be that I'll have to sort of connect them first and then slide the battery into place. So my soldering's a bit messy, but that's one connection done. My solders were very sloppy, but there's only one way to find out if they work. So if they would sit naturally in that hole, it might very well work, but what's happening is both plugs are getting jammed up against the case. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to very carefully grab my Dremel. I'm just going to Dremel out this little facade around there, just to give that plug a bit of extra room to sit back into. Alright, so that appeared to have done the trick. So of course, put the locking pin in place, turn the power on. Fingers crossed, we get some power here. No, we don't. That's because, like a genius, I unplugged everything to be safe while I was soldering. Yeah. Right. I think we're done. I think we're good. Now, fingers crossed, we don't have any more dramas with the wiring. I'd like to go for a ride, but it's just started raining. Probably a good time to pack up all the electrics. So I've been wanting some extra carry space on this bike for a little while, so I managed to find this crate. It looks a bit dicky, I know, but it means I won't have to carry my bag on my back the whole time, because it ends up killing after a little while. So all I'm going to go ahead and do is strap it down with some cable ties and, yeah, see how it holds.
Alrighty, coming to you from the comfort of the bedroom, because I can't be bothered going back out to the bike right now. You can hear my voice. I'm not feeling too crash hot because I ended up taking the bike out at night after it had been raining. I got hit with the cold air, so I went and got myself a common cold. Don't worry, it's not COVID, because I don't do people. But what I did want to update was that I ended up getting my hands on a number 65 jet for the HP carb, and I put that in, and the bike works great. But there's one thing that was suggested to me, was that my DIY boost bottle is going to be more harm than good. So I'm waiting on yet another camera to come before I take it out and do any more ride-along videos. But the next thing I plan to do is do a sort of boost bottle hindrance or help. Are you serious? What's a blog without a cat walking across the camera? So yeah, fingers crossed I get the camera sooner rather than later. I kick this crap that I've got in my throat sooner rather than later, and I can get back out there and do some proper riding videos, hopefully with a camera that isn't absolute junk. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking now before I actually kill myself, and we'll see you in the next video. Look, I've been bored. I haven't been able to do my normal riding videos, so I've been putting up a lot of crap. That's just me. That's what I do when I'm bored. Like it or hate it, doesn't bother me. Alright, we'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.